Japan has seen many troubles and faced many orders since long ago, whether it was the rule of the dictator Tojo, the atom bomb disaster, tsunami or the frequent earthquakes. This country is a living example of how a unity of the nation can lead it to the top in every field. These points bring out why Japan has such a successful modern history and is a great inspiration for the world. Number 1. The spirit. The country is a living example of how a unity of the nation can lead it to the top in every field. The tireless spirit of this country is commendable, and the world must know what sets this nation and its people apart from the others. Number 2. Punctuality. The nation is famous for its meticulousness about time and giving importance to managing time wisely and productively. The young and the old alike carry a scheduled diary with them to plan their daily, monthly tasks and events, and make sure to accomplish them all within the given time frame. It is a fact that the yearly delay of trains in Japan is on average about 7 seconds. This is proof of how precise and accurate the nation and its people are, making every nanosecond count and making the most of it. Number 3. Discipline. The country is very blessed to have evolved as a disciplined nation where the citizens bet, respect and follow the rules and regulations, and honor the rule of the law. The people do not talk on phones on the train, help a differently abled person first, and do not litter in public places. These are the basic instances that reflect the sincerity among the people, and prove that all it takes for a nation to prosper is the cooperation of its citizens in keeping the country clean. It functions smoothly and efficiently. Number 4. Politeness. Bowing every time when greeting others, being soft-spoken, generosity towards others, helping nature, are the traits which reveal that the Japanese people are extremely polite, helpful and humble beings. Helping a tourist with language or directions, helping a differently abled person, respecting all other people, and beautiful use of words arashimasu, arigato gozaimasu, show that the smile on their faces and their voices are genuine, real, warming and very soothing. Number 5. No errors attitude. The aim for maximum efficiency and striving for zero errors is extremely impressive. All the processes and systems in Japan are absolutely smooth and hassle-free. People and technology go hand in hand to ensure this level of perfection and precision in every field. Ensuring no error, making every product and service of top-notch quality and motivating everyone to strive for nothing but best is a characteristic trait of the country and its people.